All right, so a clue for number 2. Here it says find the remaining zeros of the polynomial given 1 0 for each. So here's my polynomial, and then they gave me 1 0 right here. There's a couple ways you could start this. One is you could go ahead and graph it in Desmos. Graph that polynomial in Desmos and just kind of look at what the x-intercepts are and see if that gives you any clues as to where the other zeros are. However, if those other zeros are imaginary, then we're going to have to go ahead and do this synthetic division to get a new algebraic expression, and then we're going to have to either factor or use quadratic formula after that. One hint I will give you is that if they gave us that one of the x's is -3, then that means that's what goes for here. -3 is what's going to go right here in our synthetic division. So there's a clue for how to start question 2.